Welcome to this FactoryWiz tips and tricks video on how to set a Fanuc part name correctly in order for FactoryWiz to read it. So the machine we're looking at today is the A1mm machine at the top, and you can see we have no part ID. The other machines have the part ID here. So let's jump over to our Fanuc simulator, and here we can see the program. The name of the program is on line 2, and you can see there is no name here and there's no name here. So in order for FactoryWiz to read this as the part name, we need to make sure it's on the top line of our program. And now I've done that, we've got the name at the top, the name has appeared here, and the name has appeared in the comment list in the directory. And when we go back to FactoryWiz, we can see here now we have the name, and that's how we get the name into FactoryWiz. Thanks for watching.